I'm moving, so welcome to my moving series. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my moving series. I'm so excited. Hi, if you're new, I'm Isa. I know this is not my normal content, so if you're new here, I hope you stay and subscribe. I do a lot of book related videos and also lifestyle videos, so yeah, I am so excited for this month, this series. So this video is going to explain everything if you're not new here and you're like, what? Why are you moving? What is happening? Today I'm going to explain everything, do not worry, but yeah, welcome to the first moving vlog. Okay, let's get started with the basics of why I'm moving and where am I moving, etc. So basically I'm moving into my first apartment and kind of like my living alone era begins. And yeah, I'm moving into my first apartment. I live in Panama, the country, Panama City, and I am basically going to move out for the first time. Like, I'm 20 years old, but I never like went to college, like away to college. Yeah, but I'm still in college, by the way, but I'm moving out either way. A lot of people have asked me, like, why do you want to move out? Like, what? And honestly, I've always wanted to. And, like, that is something that I've always wanted to do. Like, have my own place, decorated however I like. I work from home. This is my job. It takes up a lot of my time, so I basically, like, literally spend all of my time at home. So I've always wanted to have my own space where I can work and I'm also in college, by the way, so I basically work and I'm still in college, but either way, it's just been a dream of mine. And I do want to say that I couldn't be here without you guys, so I'm really thankful to all of you guys who always support me. Comment down below, you like my videos, you message me, send me DMs. You guys are amazing, and honestly, without you guys, I would not be able to do this. I am so like excited to keep growing and keep meeting more of you guys, and it's just, yeah, literally a new era begins. So I do want to mention, because I know I'm gonna get questions on like, how can you afford to live on your own? It's like really expensive overall. Like, moving into your first apartment, first place, you need to like buy a lot of things, like essential things that you kind of like buy once and then you use for years, you know? But since it's my first apartment, it is very expensive, to say the least, to buy everything you need that I would normally have at home. But I do want to say that I'm really thankful and grateful that I have parents that support me and have been supporting me forever and will still be supporting me. But yeah, I did want to mention that because they're a big part of my life and I love them. So thank you so much for helping me make this happen. And that is basically the explanation part. I'm basically moving into my first apartment in Panama. I'm obviously not going to state where because Panama is this size and privacy. So I actually spent months like looking at apartments online, and it was basically just for fun because I literally like loved to look at apartments. Like, it was just for fun. Obviously I wanted to get one eventually, but for months it was just like, oh, I'm gonna just take a look. But I did do that for quite a while, but not like, I think at the beginning of January is when I seriously started looking for apartments. So I actually just went to see 2 apartments, like actually went in person to see them, but I'm going to give you like a base of what I was looking for. So rent right now in Panama is actually not that expensive because of COVID, so it's like the prices are very low. So the things that I was looking for in an apartment were, first, a 2-bedroom apartment. It didn't need to have 2 bathrooms, but I did want a 2-bedroom apartment. But I ended up like looking at 2-bedroom and 2 bathrooms because that is that is what is on the market. I also wanted a washer and dryer, which is very common here. But I think like the most important thing for me was that the apartment had natural light, a lot of natural light. So the first apartment that I like visited was a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, all appliances, a lot of natural light. Like it was beautiful. But the downside of that apartment was the realtor that I had was not the best experience, I'm not gonna lie. And like the actual building was not my favorite. It was very, I don't know, it was giving me off vibes. Like the apartment was insanely beautiful, beautiful, you guys, like beautiful. And it was $900 a month. So yeah, we ended up not going with that one. So then I searched for another one. It had the same thing, so 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, all appliances, and it did have natural light. Not as much as the first one, but it did have natural light, which I loved. But this apartment, like the actual building, was very nice. Like I loved the whole vibe of the building. So yeah, after seeing the first one and the second one, they were basically very similar, but the second one was the one that I got. And I'm not gonna share further pictures because I know that you guys just saw that video, but I am obviously going to do in moving vlog part 2 the empty apartment tour, and you're gonna see very well and everything. But yeah, that it's so funny because in my mind for months I thought I was going to look at like several different apartments, but I realized that apartments get rented so quickly, so you need to make a decision fast if you want the apartment, because the next day is gone. So I had to work fast. But basically I got the second one and I'm so excited with it and I love it. It's beautiful. I cannot wait to move in, which is the next video, so stay tuned for moving vlog part 2. Let's get to packing because it's gonna take me a while.
Wow, is it always close, ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon. Oh my, I miss the sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together.
This is the current mess. Over here, full of boxes. This is the progress. I almost finished packing my books, but I still need to pack a few more with these boxes. And I've been packing my clothes. I'm not gonna take everything. The clothes that you saw on the floor, well, I'm gonna donate that clothes. So that is what I'm doing. Basically, closet decluttering and donating. So that is the progress.
head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be.
Hi guys, a little update. It's Wednesday and let me take off. This is what's happening. So I have everything packed up, almost everything. Today's Wednesday, today I get my keys. On Friday, we are moving. Okay guys, so I wanted to come on here and give you like a tour of what's happening, what I've packed up. I realized that I hadn't done that. So basically this is my corner of stuff. So I have all of my like bookshelves, drawers, my book card, this little thing that I love, mini table I would say. I have other shelves and everything, my mattress, my bed is there. Those boxes are full of books. And that one is a mirror. Oh my gosh, I just realized that I need to pack that mirror. I love that mirror so much. Okay, but yeah, that is basically what I've been doing. Wrapping paper all over my bookshelves and on the sides so they don't get damaged on the way. I need to protect the bookshelves, you guys. But yeah, that's what's happening. I also wanted to mention that this couch right here, I'm not taking this couch. It belongs to my mom, so I'm not taking that. That's hers. This table right here is also, well, it belongs to my mom. Also, that one over there also belongs to my mom. I'm not taking it, but all of these are mine that I'm taking. But I'm overall really excited. Yeah, that is basically today's video. I am still packing, but the movers are coming Friday. Today's Wednesday, so kind of moving day is Friday. So you're gonna see this on Saturday. But yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, I will get back to you when I start moving. It's gonna be so crazy.
Oh, corks and bottles, ready to pop out. Oh, no more crying. We are knocking out another year of new loves.